So today we have an iPhone 11 Pro Max that was in for data recovery. This one was dropped, pretty heavy damage. So let's try to plug in the charging port. So when we plug in the charging cable, we see no response, no charging, nothing at all. So okay. So we did take some screws out and look, and the phone also got water damage as well. So let's take up the battery and plug in the power supply and see what we get. So iPhone 11. So we have an iPhone 11 Pro Max. Oops. So it looks like the phone is short. We're getting we're getting 1 amp before they boot. So the phone is short. Let's see where the short is. Let's take up the screen. Okay, let's go to microscope and see what we have. Okay, before we go to that, let's go to ZXW. iPhone 11 Pro Max. Okay, and it's short on the battery. So the battery is also VVD main. That's a good thing about iPhone 11 Pro Max. The VDD main is connected to the battery as well. So it's easy to know when there's a short. Okay, so we should get a beep. It means the phone is short. So it's not short on VVD main. So, but it seems like it could be short on the VDD boost or the memory. So VDD main is okay, but when you plug in the battery, it went short right away. So it could be the memory. Let's check the memory. Usually we find this usually it's short around this. That's ground. Usually we see a short around here in the BP 1.8 volt. So let's clear this out a little bit. check what's short here. Oops. So the memory is not short. So it's likely it's not short. So it could be a VVDD boost. Let's check for VVD boost. So we can see VD boost is right here. Let's check for that. Where's that at? Let's see. It's right next to this connector. Right next to this. Yep, seems like VD boost is short. Let's see. Okay, so it was short here on VD boost. We removed the capacitor already, and it's not short anymore. See what we get. So we get 0.38, which is good. So that capacitor was short, and we remove it. So this capacitor here was short, and we remove it, and now there's water damage here as well. So let's try to take a reading. That's the display connector. Here it is. Oh, well. 0.32 is okay, but 0.32. So this one's okay. Check all these lines right here. Okay, this side's all right. Okay, so this one's all right as well. So what? There's no image. Okay, let's see if this phone is charging or not. Okay, so we put the board back on the phone and try to see if it boots up. The phone is booting up, but it's not charging. Need to take out data. So it must be wrong with something went wrong with the charging port or the charging issue as well. So as long as we can take out the data, it's fine. So let's hook it up to the computer, see if it recognizes it. Yeah, so let's go to so it does recognize the phone. Okay. Okay, so now we can back up the phone, which we can back up the phone now. So phone is working fine, and then we'll be able to back up the phone. It's just not able to charge. That's the reason. But as long as we can hook up the computer and we can get the data out. So basically, this phone was not only it's wire damage, but it was had a big hard drop as well. So as you can see, it's damaged pretty bad. But we were able to boot up the phone by relieving the short at VVDD boost. It was short by wire damage. So we put the board back together on the phone, and also the charging port was also damaged, wire damage as well. And also the screen was also damaged from the drop when we had to replace the screen. To be able to boot up the phone, we had to fix all these issues. But mainly is the wire damage on the circuit board, which was it took us a while to diagnose that was the problem. So that is it, guys. So hit the like button if you haven't done so, and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. Bye for now.